Silver under 30 is a mockery at this point. These past several years, Asia has been writing about the massive demand for solar energy in Japan, China, and the Middle East. Why? Asia wants to be the strongest regional economic powerhouse, and China is leading the race along with countries in the Middle East. I've been talking about the world's energy requirement shifting for years, and it is only now that the US is starting to cover it, and only barely. If it wasn't for Tesla overtaking Toyota as the most valuable car company in the world, the media wouldn't be talking about consumer shift towards electric vehicles, which in turn will increase the demand for silver. But the consistent increase of the market demand for silver started in Asia almost 2 decades ago. From 2002 to 2009, the Middle East lost enough water from groundwater, soil and snow melt, and reservoirs to fill the entire Dead Sea, about 117 million acres or 144 cubic kilometers. The majority of that water loss comes from aggressive pumping of groundwater. These findings were published online by the journal Water Resources Research. For years, the Middle East has been desalinating the ocean, and guess what that takes to do it? A lot of silver for the photovoltaic energy infrastructure. Yes, the Middle East still has a lot of oil, but they have to export that oil in order to maintain their budgets. They also cannot convert oil to water, and water is what they need. In the meantime, Europe and the US started developing technology to produce energy using alternative sources to make themselves less dependent on the Middle East. Now, not only is the Middle East needing more water, they're also losing demand for oil. So they're doubling down in solar projects, 15 billion in the next 5 years to be exact, according to the Middle East solar industry, or the MESA last September. For context, that's 3 times as much as they had in the last 5 years. The Middle East Solar Industry Association has estimated the region's solar power market is worth close to $20 billion. That makes solar voltaic technology the most competitive form of power generation in the Gulf region. Almost all the countries in this region experience an all year-round sunshine. This provides breeding grounds for solar development. And the pandemic threw many of these plans off, but Asia is going back to normal faster than we are. Manufacturing is just about to open back up, and soon enough, demand will restart. Silver is already starting its bull run, and when Asia restarts its solar energy projects, expect for the price to shoot up. Are you excited by the growth of silver? You want to learn more? Click the link below and get our free gold and silver investment guide so you can get all the insider tips on how investors are investing into silver today.